So, variable in Python. In this presentation, we will try to understand what are variables in Python. So, kani nga presentation, i-try na to sabot or unsaon ang or unsa ang variable sa Python. So, what is a variable? So, a variable is a name attached to a value which can be changed and and it's used later in code. So ang variable daw is a name na gi-attach or gibutang sa value sa usa ka value na pwede ma-change and gamiton later in code. So for example, x equal to 10 and then y equal to 5 and then this is the variable, the x and y. The x is equal to the value of 10 and the y variable is equal to the value of 5. So, ang nakabutang man diri is a variable daw is attached to a value. So, di na siya variable o na siya value which can be changed. So, and used later in code. So, gamiton na nato siya pag code. For example, x plus y yatos atong enter and then 15. Nganong na 15 man? Nga x man ni og y. Because the x variable and the is equal or iyang value is 10 and ang y is equal to the value of 5. So that's why it's 15. Kay gi plus niya ang iyang value nga 10 plus 5 equals 15. So the variable is pwede po na siya ma-change. So for example, lahayo na po nato nga add taog c equals to 4 and then x plus c enter so 14. So nag-add taog lain na pod nga variable which is the variable c and the value of ang equal or ang iyang value is 4. So gi-plus niya ang x nga value nga 10 ug ang c nga value of 4. That's why ang answer is 14. So that is the variable. Thank you.